Hey guys, this is Carl from Lingo, and we have a little present this morning from Google. We just received the Pixel 3a XL, which we'll be doing a short unboxing of, so let's get right into it right now. Oh yeah. Okay, and the moment of truth. Oh. Okay, first impressions, looks pretty similar to the 3XL that we actually have. Let's do a short side-to-side comparison. So this, oh, I should remove the plastic, of course. So. Satisfying sound every time. Well, one drastic difference that we can see here is, of course, the notch that you can see on top of the Pixel 3 XL on the right. So while the 3a XL is actually starting up, let's put this aside here and see what else you can find in the box. We, of course, have some documentations with a SIM tool. It also comes with a USB Type-C cable on both ends. It's what usually Google would actually give. There's also an OTG connector, if I can get this out. There we go. So this OTG connector, as usual, this is for you to actually transfer data from your USB thumb drive, or you could actually connect this to your iPhone and get your data transferred over to your new Pixel as well. And lastly, we actually have the charging brick at the bottom here. It's a USB Type-C connector as well, so all you need to do is to plug in the cable. And one thing, of course, you can see is that it does not include any earphones in the Pixel 3a or the 3a XL. So the reason why Google came up with the 3a and 3a XL is actually to create a more affordable Pixel version so that it is more accessible to people who may not want to spend as much money in their phones. So, and of course, not to forget, the Pixel 3a and 3a XL has the dearly beloved headphone jack on the top left-hand corner. Now, the Pixel 3a and 3a XL, it's going to be available in two colors. You can already get it from carrier partner Singtel, Quartz, as well as Challenger, and the Google Store. So the 3a comes in at $659, while the slightly larger 3a XL will come in at 779 Singapore dollars. So stay tuned for our full review of the Pixel 3a XL. Don't forget to like and subscribe to Lingo if you haven't. This is Carl, signing off.